What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. I got another order from BetterSafeRadio. Mark over there is an awesome guy. Um, very attentive on replying to emails. If you have any questions, you could just email him. He'll get you straight with whatever you need to order. Or if you have questions on a specific radio, like this radio right here, I bought from Mark. This is a Wouxun Ocean KG UV9GX GMRS radio. This is a shift, a shit hit the fan radio. I actually got this programmed. I do have a Smiley super stick on it. This is a Smiley super stick. So it telescopes. And I have the BNC adapter on it. And what I mean by that is here is a ham stick that I just got. I was actually supposed to get 2 of these and this GMRS slimline whip. It looks like I already contacted and left Mark an email showing that I was supposed to get 2 of these, but this is the ham version. The ham version is actually longer, quite a bit longer. So that is the length difference. It's about 4.5 to 5.5 or so inches longer. Let's see, it's 4.5 inches longer is what it looks like. So this is the newer whip. The ham is a little bit longer. As you can see, just a tiny amount longer collapsed. This one has a BNC connector. What I like about these Smiley antennas is you can go from a female to a male. I have a male in here. So this one right here is a male. It's got the pin in the center. The female has an empty slot or a hole in the center. So female, male, or BNC. I also ordered 10 of these BNC adapters. And the way this works is you just twist the female adapter off and then twist the BNC on. Now this ham antenna will attach quickly and easily to this GMRS radio, and then I could put the GMRS antenna back on. Looks like I only got 1 of these in the mail. I'm not really sure what happened there, but I sent him an email. What's great about Better Safe Radio and Mark is I've had him reply to me at 2 o'clock in the morning, I think on one occasion, where I sent an email. I figured it was late. He would just reply when he, got it in the morning, and he's replied to me really late. Everything from like 9 p.m. all the way to like 2 in the morning, he's replied to me. This one right here is a GMRS whip. And then I have another Smiley right here. This is on my KG Wouxun Ocean KG935G Plus, which this one I got from buy2wayradios.com. But this is another Smiley. This is a ducky. It's quite thick. It's a lot thicker than the slimline whip. This is a standard ducky antenna, and then I also have a mini ducky around here. And I also got the battery eliminator you guys saw in the video I did on this radio, where I showed the accessories. This battery eliminator right here is actually for this radio, but I did not realize that I needed to order the belt clip separate. So this belt clip I ordered, it was $6 for the belt clip. It's the same belt clip that goes on this battery. And on the information, it says right here, OTH-001 Wouxun belt, OTH-001 belt clip for UV9 series, which that's a UV9 series. And then it also works for the KG916. So this belt clip and this battery eliminator works on the UV9G, UV9P, which is the ham version. It works on the UV9GX, which is the upgraded GMRS version. And it also works on the UV9PX, which is the upgraded ham version. So I got the belt clip for my battery eliminator. That way I can just hook this on. Because when I get it in my vehicle, I usually just take this off of my belt, clip it to my mole panel on my center console mole panel system, and attach it there. Now I could just disconnect the battery, plug this guy in, and just leave this in my vehicle all the time as a charging source if I want to save the power in my battery. I got 10 of these adapters right here, which I can get you guys up and close. So these are the BNC to Smiley adapters. So I got 10 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is just a standard. This is a standard slimline whip that came with the UV 5G Plus Baofeng radios. And all I did is just put it, this is a female antenna, and I put a SMA male to BNC male on it. So I can actually attach this to this radio if I wanted to. Boom. It looks a little funky. In my opinion, the Smiley antennas look a lot better. You know, being I could just put that on, it looks more like it belongs. But that's just an example. You can get these adapters and then switch them. This is the regular female adapter on this one. So now I could just take one of these guys, attach it to this ducky, and then put my female adapter on here, my SMA female to BNC female on here, and I'll be able to quickly attach that one. The other thing I got in here, you know, the RSM 400W, BSR, BetterSafeRadio RSM 400W waterproof IP67 speaker mic for Wouxun, Anytone, Redivis, and Baofengs. That's this guy right here. This guy actually has a removable clip. So the clip's a lot different. It's a lot smaller, has a smaller throw. It's not as wide. So this will actually clip to mole panels. If you're wearing armor or you're wearing a tactical setup, this will easily clip in a mole slot. This one is the Raytalk RSM 350, where this one's the Raytalk RSM 400W. This one, the clip is huge. The clip does not come off. It's affixed. Well, you can take it off. You can unscrew it if you want. It's affixed to the radio, where this one has a quick little push pin slot, and you could lift it up and off, which is not very easy to do, which is why I have this screwdriver over here. There we go. So as you can see, the clip comes off. So if this breaks, you can replace it, or you could just put some Velcro on here and stick it to your mole panel system, like your chest rig or whatever. I was told by Mark that this radio was not as good as this guy, which they're a little bit different. They're shaped different. The buttons are exactly the same. They're both IP67 rated. I figured, he said that this one doesn't sound as good. But, I figured I'd test them out. It was on sale for like 23 or 24 bucks, something like that. So I picked that guy up. And I already emailed him and let him know I'm missing one of the other antennas. But here is the SATA base BNC. And it shows the BNC. I ordered 10. I got those. And then this one right here is the SA. So Smiley antenna, tri-band, female. So Smiley antenna, tri-band, ham, and NOAA telescoping whip, SMA female. 2 of those. I only have 1. So I already emailed him. He's a great guy. I'm sure he'll get back to me as soon as he can when he's not busy. Just a quick little video wanted to show you guys. I did have Smiley antenna actually post a comment on my last video. They are great antennas. I really, really like the antennas. But I will have a link down below for affiliate link for BetterSafeRadio. You guys can go check out. If you guys want to check out any of these items, I will also have a discount code, ACM7 for 7% off anything over $100. Doesn't matter if it's $100 worth of radios or accessories, doesn't matter. But I'll have that stuff down for you below for you guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys.